vibes here in Singapore. Sobrang dami ng tao. Saturday night. So, ayan. We don't know where to get a taxi right now. So, ito ang Marina Sands. Kita mo ba yan? Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Yan ang Marina Sands. Para siyang ship nakapatong sa 3-story building. Ayan, oh. Ayan. We're just gonna grab a taxi from here. Finally! Thank you, Lord! You're such an angel!
Okay? Gotta be quick.
Have it quick. Pasok na ako dito, Ben. Yes, it's a good thing there's a cab here. Thank you!
Can you take us to the,
Ayan, no?
what's the name? Royal
Look at
Hotel
that.
on,
See?
Newton. Newton.
Yeah, we're off to the hotel. Ayan. Ano muna ang nightlife here in Singapore. Dito yung aming ano. Ayan, no? Malaking flower na water lily. This is the nighttime here in